Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I want to demonstrate the division equals operator, and we're going to create a program to see how long it would take, how many cycles it would take to divide the Earth's population to less than 1. So for instance, every certain amount of years, a catastrophe happens where you have the Earth's population. How many of those would it take to get the Earth's population to less than 1? Okay, so uh, let's create a float in our main function, and we'll call it Earth's pop, because we are going to be dividing this, and when it gets less than 1, it's not going to be an integer. We'll also create an integer called n, where we'll use that to measure the number of cycles. And I'm going to set Earth's population equal to what the Google said it was, which was 7,530,000 or 7,530,000,000 roughly. Okay, so we have, let's see, yep, I have enough zeros there. Okay, and then we're going to set n initially to 0. As we go through a while loop that we're going to create, we'll increment n by 1. So I'm going to say while Earth's population is greater than 1, that's the condition for running this loop, we're going to take Earth's population and we're going to divide it by 2 each time through the loop. Also, each time through the loop, as I said, we're going to increment n by 1. At the end, after we pop out of the loop, when Earth's population gets divided to less than 1, then we're going to do a printf, and we're going to say it took, we're going to use %d for n because it's an integer, having cycles to get Earth's population to less than 1. Put an exclamation point and a /n, and we're going to pass in n there. And I'm almost running off, but I'm putting a semicolon at the end of that line. Okay, at the end of this, we are returning 0. And just so you can see that last line a little bit better, I'm just going to, make that a little smaller. So you can see I put the semicolon at the end of that line there. Okay, so let's save this. And now let's open up a terminal. And let's compile this to divide Earth pop. Okay, and then let's now run it. And you can see that we go from 7.5 billion people. It takes 33 halving cycles to get it less than 1. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. It really does help the channel grow. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.